This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Linda Dunphy. Come move to Villas of Palomino, a distinctive modern Mediterranean townhouse community in desirable Davie! And number 13. This 3.51 car garage offers a fantastic floor plan with an open kitchen concept, stainless steel appliances, eat-in bar, blackout blinds and much more. The gated, pet-friendly community offers clubhouse, pool, child's play area. Nestled in the heart of Davie, the community is near major shopping areas, schools like Nova University, parks and recreation facilities, Fort Lauderdale Hollywood Airport and the Hard Rock Cafe. Don't miss the opportunity. Schedule a showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Dunphy at 954-854-4922.